Good morning, everyone, class 11th. Today we'll start chapter number 3, Discovering Tut. The saga continues from your book Hornbill, and this lesson is written by A.R. Williams. So, students, A.R. Williams lives in Virginia. A.R. Williams developed a love for reading at a very young age, and in the fourth grade, when an assignment to write their own works of fiction was given, A.R. Williams wrote a book called Journey to Planet. It occurred to him that he too could have the ability to craft tales for others to enjoy. The heroes of his story were him and his four friends of his neighborhood. Although A.R. did not pursue this desire right away, he continued to have voracious appetite for reading from amazing comics of Spider-Man, the X-Men and F-Quest, to fantasy story of Wysis and Hickman in the Dragonlance Chronicles and the science fiction adventures of Miles and Errol Volkswagen in Lois McMaster Bejeweled stories about Breyer. So this is all about A.R. Williams, the writer of our chapter. Here it is written, students, that Tutankhamun was the Egyptian pharaoh of 18th dynasty. During the Egyptian period of the New Kingdom, he is more popular called King Tut. His original name is Tutankhaten, meant living image of Aten, while Tutankhamun means living image of Amun. He was discovered in 1922 by Howard Carter and George Herbert, 5th Earl of Karama. No one knows of Tut's final days and his death. Now let's read the introduction of the chapter. That is, King Tutankhamun is one of the most famous pharaoh over to region. King Tut is famous for his tomb and his unknowing mysterious death King Tut had. King Tut reigned for almost 9 years. Now students, move on to your chapter NCERT book. He was just a teenager when he was died. The last heir of a powerful family that had ruled Egypt and its empire for centuries. He was laid to rest laden with gold and eventually forgotten. Since the discovery of his tomb in 1922, the modern world has speculated about what happened to him, with murder being the most extreme possibility. Now, leaving his tomb for the first time in almost 80 years, Tut has undergone a CT scan that offers new clues about his life and death and provide precise data for an accurate forensics reconstruction of boyish pharaoh. So students, what was written over here? That about who is that man whose name is here Tut, or what discovery is going through here. The saga continues according to the chapter. So what was going on there, that an angry, you can say that he was just a teenager when he died. So there's a man whose name is he is an Egyptian ruler, and he is the last, you can say that from his clan he is the last heir of his family, that is who ruled Egypt for centuries, and he was laid to rest laden with gold and eventually forgotten. And after that, what was happened, that when he died at that time, so जो भी उसके इजिप्शियन लोग थे उन्होंने उसे विथ गोल्ड्स या विथ ऑर्नामेंट्स विथ ज्वेलरीज उन्होंने उसे पूरा कवर अप कर दिया था, और उससे लदा हुआ उसे उन्होंने दफनाया था. एंड आफ्टर दैट ही फॉरगॉटन, एंड सिंस द डिस्कवरी ऑफ हिज टोम in 1922, the modern world has speculated about what happened to him, with murder being the most extreme possibility. So after that, when the modern generation was there in 1922, so people tried to speculate it about that man, that who is like Tut, and they want to know more about that how he was murdered or like something like that. सो नाउ लिविंग हिज टोम फॉर हिज फर्स्ट टाइम इन ऑलमोस्ट 80 ईयर्स, और ये पहली बार हो रहा था जब टट जो है वो 80 ईयर्स के बाद अपने टोम से निकल रहा था. Tut has undergone a CT scan that offers new clues about his life and death. And उसकी जो टट का जो टोम था उसमें से उसकी बॉडी या उसकी जो स्केलेटन है उसे बाहर निकाल गया, सो दैट उसका सिटी स्कैन हुआ. एंड आफ्टर दैट उसकी लाइफ की जो मिस्ट्रीज थी वो खुलने वाली थी कि कैसे लोग पहले रहा करते थे, कैसे मिस्टीरियसली उसकी because it is written over here that he was just a teenager when he died. So what was going on there at that time कि वो किस तरह उसकी डेथ हो गई थी टट की, ये सारी मिस्ट्रीज जो हैं लाइफ और डेथ की आफ्टर सिटी स्कैन और आफ्टर द एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ हिज बॉडी, ऑल दीज थिंग्स विल केम टू नो अबाउट दैट एंड प्रोवाइड प्रिसाइज डेटा फॉर एन एक्यूरेट फोरेंसिक रिकन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द बॉयज फरो. एंड दिस फरो की जो ये बॉडी है उसका पूरा एग्जामिनेशन होना था, स्पेक्यूलेटेड और यू कैन से दैट कुछ अज्यूम किया जा रहा था उसके टोम के बारे में. सो ऑल डिटेल्स आर गिवन बाय द फोरेंसिक डिपार्टमेंट और दोज बिकॉज उसकी बॉडी को वापस से फोरेंसिक डिपार्टमेंट ने चेक करा है, सब कुछ डिटेल्स पता करिए सो दैट पीपल विल नो अबाउट दैट क्लूज अबाउट हिज लाइफ एंड डेथ. मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट पेज. An angry wind An angry wind stirred up ghostly dust devils as King Tut was taken from his resting place in the ancient Egyptian cemetery known as the Valley of Kings. Dark-bellied clouds had scudded across the desert sky all day and now were veiling the stars in cascade grey. It was 6 p.m. on 5 January 2005. The world's most famous mummy glided head first into CT scanner, brought here to probe the lingering medical mysteries of this little understood young ruler who died more than 3,300 years ago. So the incident, the chapter is basically based on 5 January 2005. It was like 6 p.m. in the evening जब पहली बार तट की मम्मी को जो है वो या उसकी जो बॉडी है उसको अपने टोम से कब बाहर निकाला गया, 3000 ईयर अगोज बाद उसकी बॉडी बाहर आई है. एंड एंग्री विंड स्टर्ड अप घोस्टली डस्ट डेविल्स एज किंग टट वाज टेकन फ्रॉम रेस्टिंग प्लेस इन द एंशिएंट इजिप्शियन सिमेट्री नोन एज द वैली ऑफ किंग्स. और जब जो वैली ऑफ किंग्स नामक जो जगह है उस जगह से जब तट की उस टोम को बाहर निकाला गया, देन सडनली स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स जो हैं गोस्टली डस्ट डेविल्स जो है वो वहाँ पर चलने लगे. एंड dark bellied clouds had scudded across the desert sky all day. और जो डेजर्ट है उसमें जो क्लाउड्स हैं दे द डेजर्ट इज यू कैन से दैट द एटमॉस्फेयर बिकम्स द clouds become dark, the color of clouds become dark and the whole sky was scudded or the whole sky was full of those dark bellied clouds and now are veiling the stars in cascade grey. और अब जो stars हैं those are we can see those stars over there. And the world's most famous mummy glided head first into CT scanner brought here to probe the lingering medical mysteries. और वर्ल्ड की जो सबसे फेमस मम्मी थी वो पूरी तरह किस तरह चमक रही थी, सिटी स्कैनर में उसे डाला जा रहा था. सो ग्लाइडेड हियर मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स जो उसकी बॉडी है किस तरह ग्लिडेड वो चमक रही थी, क्या उसकी बॉडी के साथ होने वाला था, दैट ऑल इज मेंशन्ड ओवर देयर इन दिस पैराग्राफ. दैट जो उसकी बॉडी है वो किस तरह पूरे सोने से, जब इजिप्शियन लोगों ने अपने राजा को जो कि एक टीनेजर था जब उसे उसको जब सिमेट्री वाला उसका जो प्रोसेस था उस प्रोसेस में उसको किस तरह पूरा सोने से लाद दिया था, दैट वो अब दिख रहा था कि वो किस तरह पूरा सोने से लदा हुआ है. मेडिकल मिस्ट्रीज ऑफ दिस लिटिल अंडरस्टूड यंग रूलर हु डाइड मोर देन 3003 ईयर. और अब कुछ मेडिकल मिस्ट्रीज बाहर आने वाली थी इस टट की मम्मी की जो कि 3300 ईयर्स पुरानी थी. स्टूडेंट्स विल कंटिन्यू आवर वीडियो our next video in our next class. Thank you all. Till then, stay safe.